What is up, guys? Today I will show you and tell you how to fix when your scooter turn on but cannot move. So there are two reasons and two ways to fix it. So the first way, if you see the parking mode, means actually it's just in parking and it's not moving. When you press the brake, you see it's unparked. Then you click, it's already moving, so the speed is also working well. The second method's actually also quite fast and easy fix. You need to reset your scooter. In order to do it, you need to press brake and acceleration at the same time and turn on your scooter. So you will hear this 14 sign, need to wait around like 10 seconds or 5 times, so just count 10 seconds for yourself. After counting, you need to restart your scooter, so turn it on or turn it off, turn it on, then try it out whether it works or no. As you see, it's working well. So actually that's how you can easily fix your scooter two ways if it's turning on but not moving properly.